In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to prepare foundation layout plan. Okay, so this model was modeled in some days ago. You can check it out on my channel. So without wasting your time, let's go into how to prepare foundation layout of this uh, building. So first of all, we go to the foundation level. Here is the foundation level. I just want to hide all these ones from it. I just want to hide them. Okay, so this is the foundation. Okay, so I want to hide all the reinforcements so that I can highlight all. I filter, go to check 9, check the rubber, apply. Okay, and I hide all this reinforcement. Okay, now we want to start the layout. First, I have to create a wall. I have to create a wall. Go to structure, click on wall, and this wall I will duplicate it to wall 150. Wall 150. Then I edit it 150. Change the thickness 150. Okay, apply. Okay, so now I pick line and I start drawing the wall. This is the foundation wall. Usually me, I draw it like this because if you just draw it once, it will it will not look nice in your presentation. Okay, we are just drawing the wall from column to column, column to column, column to this column to that column, that column to this column. Okay, I have another wall here to that. Okay, to that. This to that. Okay, we have our this is the foundation wall. Okay, this and this just draw all the walls. Okay, now I am done with drawing the walls. So to make sure the walls are right, I just select one, uh, select all in visible in this view, and you come, you look at the base constraint to be foundation level, and the top constraint should not be should be ground floor level, and the offset should be 0. Offset should be 0. That is fine. Okay, we are done with creating the wall. We left. You have to pick this one, structural foundation wall. Click on this and you duplicate it to this one, the height in Ghana. We, depending on your design, we normally do this 225, and that is the thickness, and the width should be 450. Excavations should be 450. Okay, so this is it. Then you change it. This is 450, and this is 225. Okay, apply, and okay. After this one, you have to just be clicking. If you click the wall, it will pick. Click the wall, it will pick. 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 Okay. Then you select. Yes, be selecting the wall. No, it host. It will pick. Okay. It will pick. It will pick. That's fine. Then you finish it up. You just click all the walls, and you are done with your foundation. Okay, but this one, next the next is uh, now how do we present this well? You just on your keyboard press VV, and you go to structural foundations. Okay, look for structural foundations. Here is structural foundations, and you have to, the line, you make it solid. This maybe depending on how you want it. I can guess the colors you want. Okay, you can make it blue. That's fine. You go to this one, then you can make it 5. Okay, the pattern, you make it solid. The pattern, if you make it solid, it won't do. Just make it diagonal cross hatch. Okay, then you take, sorry, the color should be maybe blue. When we do, and then we can be changing the colors, right? Okay, this one, you can pick this diagonal, or this one can be diagonal. We'll just pick the solid and pick it as this. Okay, okay, then you apply. Okay, we are done with we are done with this. But the solid, the blue is making it look, or is nicer. No, we can change it, the blue, to be a little bit, but this is also okay. This is okay. Okay, now we can tag this one. How to tag this one? You go to annotate, go to tag by category, tag it. Okay, see that it has come like this. You select it, edit family, select this one, and go to edit label. You click on this one and remove it from there, and look for type mark. Type mark is here. You bring that one, apply, okay. Then we can save this one, load it into forget and close. Okay, we can If you don't want to save it, you just say no, load it into Project and code. Do you want to save changes? No. Okay, override. See that it has become this. Okay, so because it is this one, it is a question mark. How do we now tag it so that this one will be F, maybe F1, F2, or something like that? We just select this one and go to edit type. You look for type mark. Type mark is here. You type F as foundation, apply, and click OK. So you see that the F is here. You can now delete this one and go to annotate, tag all. You come to structural foundations. Structural foundations. Where is it? Structural foundation. Here. You select this one and click apply. Okay. You see that you have your FF here. You select this and pull it out. Okay. You select this and pull it out. Okay. You select this and pull it out. Okay. You select this one and pull it out. You just have to find a way of selecting it. Select this, pull it out from there. Select this, pull it out. Select this, pull it out. Select this one, pull it out. Sorry. Select this one, pull it out. You do it for all of them. Do it for all. Select it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, select this one. That is fine. You have selected all. You have done it. But this question mark is irritating. It is marking the bearing footing. You just select one of the bearing footing and go to edit type, look for type mark and put question mark there. Maybe full stop. Click apply. Okay, all of them have vanished. Okay, then now we want to make it presentable. You just take text, then you click on it and type filling. Okay, normally we say hardcore. Hardcore. Hardcore fill. Okay, position it well and copy it to the rest. Copy it to all the voice hardcore filling. Okay, with this, you are done with this, then you go for dimensions. You start dimension from here to that, this, you dimension it all nicely and it will look nice. Okay, then the bearing footings, the bearing footings, you dimension all. Okay, and the wall 150 wall dimension. Okay, now you come from this grid line to grid line. Okay, then the overall grid lines. Okay, and from the overall length of the structure. Okay, you are done with this. But you see that the dimensions, the witness lines are, you just select one of these, and you go to edit type. You can duplicate and type foundation text, foundation dim, enter, and with this you can come to look for witness line control gap to element. No, you say fix to dimension line, and you go down. The color you can change it. I normally want it like this or like this one. Click OK, and you change, you make it bold and make this one 3 or 3.5, and this you can make it. I normally want the sans serif, and I can apply. Okay, see that this one is fine. Now I can select, right click and say select all visible, then you change it to foundation dim. Your foundations, you have been able to do it well. Okay, so this is it. Then you do the same for the other side. I think this tutorial is helpful. In case you want to change this one, these ones are arrow, but maybe you want to make it fill, you just select any of them, then you go to edit type. This is a tick mark, arrow 30-degree. You click on it and pick arrow fill 30-degree, and apply. You see your dimensions are now accurate. It look nicely. Okay, if you like this my tutorial, subscribe and I will teach you more. And if you want to also learn it from scratch, or you learn everything how to detail make a complete drawings, you can contact me and I will take you through. The course is not anything you can afford. Thank you.